Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Monica Morgan. Today I have the Spellbinders Card Kit of the Month for July 2019, and I haven't opened it at all. It's brand new from the mailbox, so I wanted to do this live, quote unquote, for you, at least in one of my box openings. I have seen this one on YouTube already, so I kind of know what's coming, but this is just fun to do with my subbies. Such a fun word. Oh, by the way, you know, when I make my cards, sometimes I do glue. If you want your name written in glue, just let me know. Okay, so every month I give you a inspiration sheet, and this one is called Celebrate. Shall we celebrate? Look how cute this is. Little mermaid, and everything that's in the kit is listed here, and a little guide on how to make this card. So this is going to be fun. Man, my die collection is growing from Spellbinder stuff. Oh, look, it has hair. Okay, I like to get to that one near the last. This is the supplies they always give you, which I love, which are double-sided tape and foam tape. Oh boy, here we go. Yay! 10 cards and 10 envelopes. We know that's there. A nice turquoise blue, a cloudy blue, orange, silver, yellow, green, and a nice lavender to match my nails today. That's my color. Oh man, this is going to be pretty. This card kit is going to have some fun stuff in it. All right, we get die cut shapes. We get some gems. We get the die, or the stamp set. Fluffy poem stickers. Fluffy poem stickers. That is called a spoonerism, and I've been known to do that my whole life. It's funny as hell, so I'm just going to leave it in there. Foam stickers and foam glitter stickers, and then their paper pack. Let's go through this. I want to get ideas. Very tranquil, lots of cool colors. That looks like that. I wish they would put the color palette up here. Pretty backgrounds. They always have something like this that's metallic. It's really cool. Patterns, florals. Looks like checks. I hope that's going to be a pretty card. I can tell right off the bat. Yeah, there's tons of cool stuff in here. All ocean themed. Beautiful things I can do with that one. I would love to see a blog post of everybody that's used that piece of paper, what they did with it. I just about bought a cutting die that looks like this. I forget the words on it, but it comes with like 4 or 5 of them over on the Spellbinders shop. It's actually in my shopping cart, but I haven't paid for it yet. Little mermaids. And again, I love it, love it, love it, love it. So that looks like, yeah, 2 of each item. Okay. I'm building up a collection of stamps too from Spellbinders. Oh, fun. I get to practice my Copics. Celebrate. Wishes, sending wishes. You are mermazing. Sending oceans of love. Mermaid kisses and starfish wishes. I love that one. Look at that narwhal. How cute. Those are fun. Those are going to be real fun. Yeah, this is going to take my cards up to another level yet again. It's going to be, those are going to be pretty with like a little small one from the stamp set. It's like sending love. Have a smile. Smile by itself is always kind of weird. Okay, so that'll be fun. Face, her hair, her body. Is that her legs? Oh no, that's 2 arms maybe. Is that her legs? Her hair. It's gonna go that way. I don't know what this This stuff is gonna be tiny. Oh, that's her face. Her lips, her eyes. Those are eyes with eyelashes, and those are cheeks maybe. And then her bra, her belt, embellishments, her outline. I like these. I like that they always, oh, look how cool. You get a whole bunch of little doodads. I like how they always provide some kind of a functional, not just the theme. It's not just the mermaid, you know what I'm trying to say? That's kind of a big head. You got a big head, Miss Mermaid. All right, shall I make a card? Just go for it. Look how cute. Yeah, those are her eyes and cheeks and mouth. And they put a bunch of this stuff all over. So they used a green, they used like 4 colors in there. These flowers, maybe they did for her hair. And yeah, the bra and the belt. So now I'm just assembling the little mermaid. She's just so mermazing. And I tried a million different ideas for her body and the scales. There actually is, the die set has a piece that comes out really cool if you use it, but I wanted to try something else. So I did these sequins, and the sequins came from another kit. Just finishing, making sure she doesn't move anywhere. I love how that head slips up into the hair, and it kind of just snaps right in place. So I got to bling up her bra if I'm going to bling up her tail, her body part. And that looks like a lot of glue, but it's really not. It's just a couple of little dots. And now I'm coloring the little tiny pieces that came with the kit. Man, when I first saw those, I'm like, are you kidding me? Oh my God, they're so small. But they make a huge difference. So now I'm just adding the glue where all the little facial features are going to go, but I only put on one cheek and the lips, and then I move on to the arms. Don't ask me why my brain did that, but it did. And it's okay, the glue didn't dry. So I just putting everything on there. Look how cute she's coming to life. I wish that purple thing on her head would go away. I didn't even notice it as I was working. It's just a leftover tail. I eventually remove it, but that's the bra. So, and I think I put it up just a little too high, but it's okay. Now to attach her body, which is not legs. Mermaids don't have legs. And when I did her lips, I didn't do them. I didn't get the edge, so I wanted to cover that with a really fine line marker. That's what I'm doing there. She's so dang cute. We should name her. How about Penelope? And that is a 6x6 original, that piece of paper. So I wanted it to be the cover for the base. So in order to keep it as proportionate as I could and keep as much color from the top and the bottom row, I just cut off a 1/4 inch off of each side. And now we're going to bling up the card. And I'm adding stuff that some of that came from the die kit, and some of it was from the ephemera. And here I'm just doing a double layer for her tail. I think it looks really cool. Because on my first cards, one kit, I like to make the first card super blinged out. You know, it's the thumbnail for the box opening, and it's fun. So this is where she comes to life. My little Penelope is so cute. Oh, she's just adorable. So now I'm adding a lot of the ephemera that came in the kit and some of the die cuts. Those leaves are in there if you want to cut a bunch of them. And now I'm going to fishtail, or it could be mermaid tail. I'm going to mermaid tail the sentiment banner, and we're getting there. Just going to add some stars to the front panel, more leaves. That was ephemera. That one's not in the cutting die. So here's her headband. I cut out some flowers. I need some flowers for her headband. It looks so 60s to me. Like she's going to go to a Janis Joplin concert or something. She's so cute. Oh my God. I really, really like Spellbinders dies. This is just such a fun hobby. I did it since January, and I love it. It gives me something to look forward to. It's totally affordable with everything that you get in the kit. Oh my gosh. Now, these flowers have 2 pieces, that piece and then another one that goes on top, and they're tiny. They're hard. I was trying to use the back of an eraser, sticking it with a pin. One fell on my thumb. And even leaves. It has little tiny leaves with it. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed my box opening and my first card out of my 10 cards from one kit. I'm going to have a whole bunch more coming. I've already done 6.